Alrighty, welcome back to another trade recap. Posting this a little bit later in the day, so I apologize. Had a lot of shit going on this morning. But today is Thursday, April 9th, 2026. I ended up taking two trades today. I'm around break even on the day. Ended up taking one loss and one W. Both trades I'm completely fine with taking. Both of them were shorts. Exactly what I wanted to see coming into market open. Unfortunately, the first one I just got stop rated, and then the second one I took advantage of it. So let's kind of just go over what I wanted to see coming into market open, what ended up happening, all good things like that. So if we go back into replay mode here, let's go back to 7:30. So coming into market open, obviously from yesterday and the past 2 days, we have had this huge move up, right? Over 1,000 points from basically Tuesday, so 2 days ago. So again, looking at this, we can literally come all the way back down to equilibrium of this range. We have a big range to fill, and we could go as low as we want, really. So coming into market open, anything up here, taking a long anywhere up here is low quality to me, right? Because we are so deep into premium of this range that it is lower quality for me to take a long. So coming into market open, I was looking for shorts to all this generated sell side liquidity, as well as we had this unfilled 1 hour below right here, right? So I wanted to see us take out all this generated sell side liquidity. Again, there's reason for us to go lower. I just needed to see buy side get manipulated first. So what did I end up marking out? I ended up marking out this internal buy side level right here. And again, I wanted to see that get taken out to target all this generated sell side liquidity. Now, heading into market open, what ended up happening? 7:30, we end up taking that high, right? And then as soon as we end up taking that high, I want to see how we react to this 1 minute bullish fair value gap. But what do we do first? We end up respecting the 1 minute bullish fair value gap. So I stay patient. Very next candle, we get really good distribution, really good delivery below this 1 minute bullish fair value gap and closing below this 1 minute change. I enter short, targeting this low, and my stop up at this high. I end up taking a 1-to-1 on this, so I had to have my TP a little bit below this low. So this low was going to be my break even. We end up missing my break even by about like 5 points, and then we end up coming all the way back up and stopping me out. So again, completely fine with taking this first trade, everything that I needed to see in order to take a trade, and just ended up not playing out. I got stop rated. So as soon as I get stopped out on this trade, again, I'm just staying patient. I'm seeing what the market wants to do, right? Because if we just want to go higher, I just have to sit because there's no manipulation, and I'm not trying to take a long this deep in a premium. So I'm just sitting here being patient. If price ends up having this stop rate and come back down, I'll look to take another short, which in hindsight is what ended up happening. So market continues to go lower, right? We end up running this first 1 minute bullish for value gap. I stay patient. We end up running the second 1 minute bullish for value gap, right? And closing below that change, tapping into this 1 minute bearish for value gap. So what do I end up doing? I end up taking a short on the close below the change, and then I have my stop above this recent high, right? Because I want to see this act as an order block, and we've tapped this 1 minute bearish for value gap. There's no reason for us to go back up there, right? And I ended up putting my break even at this kind of 1 minute internal low. Break even ends up getting hit, right? Move my stop to break even, and our TP ends up getting hit, right? So pretty simple. Here were the two trades that I ended up taking today. Again, one loss, one W. Completely fine with taking both of these trades, and very happy with both of these trades. Just unfortunate that we took that first loss, but hey, that's part of trading. So very short video, very short trade recap. Again, I'm sorry that I posted it so late into the day. I just had a lot of shit going on this morning. But yeah, that's going to wrap it up here, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you guys caught a dub. I hope you guys are not break even. I hope you guys have a great rest of your Thursday night, and I will catch you in the next one.